How to change App Store region. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the App Store on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed into your Apple ID account. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on your name at the top. Once you do so, tap on the country/region option available there. And once you tap on it, all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions. You will get to see the list of countries or region available. Scroll and choose one according to your preferences. Now let me just choose one. And once you choose it, you will again be asked to confirm to change your country. Make sure to do so. And once the confirmation is done, you will be navigated to terms and conditions. All you have to do is tap on the agree at the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on it, you will have to enter the personal information of that country, such as phone number, address, and many more. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.